This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Kairi Salah. New photos coming soon. Welcome to paradise. This elegant 4,805 square feet 2-story, 5 bedrooms, or 4 west/office, 3.5 baths. This pool home sits on 1.83 acres built in 2019. The left side of the lot is open to build a workshop or a barn, etc. This gorgeous home is within city limits with the luxury of living semi-off-grid with a well placed in 2018 filtration and water softener system, propane gas for 2 fireplaces in the living room and the sun room, stove, and 2 tankless water heaters and 3 air conditioner units. Great size kitchen, open floor plan, stainless steel appliances, hardwood cabinets, marble countertops, and a built-in oven and microwave. This fabulous house has a central vacuum system, LED lights, and spray foam insulation makes this home energy efficient and utility bills very low. It has its own septic system. Extensive landscaping with sprinkler system in front and back. Surround sound throughout the house, including the back porch. Oversized laundry room, huge recreation room, game room, upstairs with pool table, darts, and big screen TV for entertainment. In-ground pool with hot tub, 3 sitting areas on the back patio, one under the pergola at one end of the pool, another just outside the sunroom with a fire pit, and a space under the back porch. It has a large, unique front porch, 3-car garage, fenced on 3 sides, mature trees, no HOA, no CVD, no water or sewage bills, no restrictions, and has a chicken coop and raised garden beds. This home has extensive trim work and unique details. This is the luxury home of your dreams. For more information, review the details below or contact Kairi Salah at 801-918-7745.